At this point, we shall be hearing messages, wishes from special people in the life of Ka Andrew. Okay, first, to give her wish is the sister-in-law of Ka Andrew. Let's welcome Mrs. Artenia Nicanor. Palakpakan po natin si Mrs. Nicanor.
Magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat. Sa aming pinakamamahal na Ka Andrew, ang wishes ko sa kanya ay good health and God bless to you always. Aking pinakamamahal na bayaw, si Ka Andrew. Maraming salamat po.
Thank you so much, Mrs. Artenia Nicanor, the sister-in-law of Ka Andrew. Mrs. Nicanor, pwede... Okay, so another to give her message is one of the church mates of Ka Andrew.